Just like eating, sleeping, and bathing, using a shampoo is definitely a habit we have followed without question. One method that challenges this lifelong association is the no shampoo routine. Wondering what that is? Let's find out. This method believes in cleaning your hair with either natural ingredients or just plain water, and ditching the use of shampoos and hair cleansers entirely. The idea is to train your hair to be healthy without depending on any product or chemical. Many advocates of no poo believe that hair cleansers strip your scalp of its natural sebum, in turn making it overproduce grease, pushing you to use and purchase these items more frequently. In addition, many also felt that once the hair was left alone, the oils eventually balanced off, leaving the hair much healthier and soft. Apart from limiting the use of harmful chemicals that you put your hair through, it's also extremely eco-friendly. If you are someone who is willing to give this a try, the first step is to prepare your hair for the oily transition. So start by going in with fewer shampoos than you normally would. Once you've completely gone cold turkey, try and go as many days as you can without washing it with water at all. With the no poo, it gets worse before it gets better. Your hair is going to be a greasy, grimy mess for a couple of weeks, with your scalp getting itchy and even getting dandruff prone. It might not also smell the best. After a couple of days, your scalp should ideally start balancing the oils, which means that there will be some sebum on your scalp, but not the gooey grime you previously had. None of this means you're not going to have to clean your hair. So here are a few popular no poo, all-natural cleansing techniques. Baking soda is meant to be an alternative to commercial shampoo and is known to remove excess oil and buildup. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 500 ml of water in a spritz bottle and remember to lift your hair up and massage into the scalp. An apple cider vinegar rinse once a week can add shine and softness to your hair. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 500 ml of water and give your hair a good rinse with this. Bentonite clay is another great oil-absorbing ingredient. Mix 1 tablespoon of it with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of water and apply throughout your hair, leaving it for 30 minutes and washing. Aloe gel can help soothe itchiness as well as dandruff. Directly apply this on your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off. Regularly brushing your hair becomes extremely important as it helps distribute the oils from your scalp to your strands. The method is definitely an extremely difficult and tough routine to follow through with. While it has worked for many, a lot of people were not able to transition from greasy to a balanced scalp. It's important to note that different techniques and natural ingredients suit different hair types, so it's a long trial and error process. By and large, it's worked much better for people who have frizzy and curly hair rather than those with fine, thin or straight hair. Finding a middle ground is the new low poo method, which includes washing your hair much less frequently and using organic shampoos and sulfate-free options. We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Let us know in the comments if you'd be giving the no shampoo routine a try. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.